line. Away from Luo Lives Matters as well, Person of the Week is something that will put a smile on your face. I'll tell you why.
The good, if it appears 3 times, it means it's trending. Mazejo, give you an example. Just to introduce, alikuwa 43 years wakati alikuwa elected as the Prime Minister of Canada. Emmanuel Macron, 39 years wakati alikuwa elected as President of France. Now, say the third person is such a crazy individual because mademo walikuwa nafikiria tu jamaa juu ni mhot ati ndio ata make it. Ame decide kuleta policies on the table and he has decided to even vie for a position. Na hii position ndio jamaa ameclinch. Of course, lazima tuende break after his story.
Yeah, but first of all, let's have a...
Wacha tu check his story.
Known as Wunderwuzi to mean the whiz kid, Kurz rose to fame as Austria's youngest foreign affairs minister at age 27, a position held till this year. In May 2017, he became the chairman of the Austrian People's Party.
I'm a young politician, but being a young politician does not make me forget our own history.
In 2015, Kurz trotted a wave of anti-immigrant anxiety to position himself as the country's probable next chancellor.
History cannot be undone. But I want to assure you, we Austrians know that we have a responsibility for our history.
Kurz also went as far as branding not only himself, but also his party when he changed its official color from black to turquoise blue, referring to it as the New People's Party. We celebrate the 31-year-old Sebastian Kurz on his position as the youngest European head of state.